I am Zeynep. I will be your teacher for this course with Mr. David. We will move to the second part of this course plan to ensure you benefit by the end of this course. So, let's get started.
Welcome again to Shakkour Academy. My new lessons will be for watching in the evening. When the screen is black, it means you need to watch the video then. When the screen is white, it indicates that you should watch Mr. David's videos in the morning. You will follow the same rules that Mr. David gave you, so don't worry, I will remind you. First, listen to our voices carefully. Second, note the words you don't know. Third, look at the Arabic translation and compare it to the English words. You can download the transcript of each lesson as a PDF, which you can print or upload to your tablet to follow our lessons one by one. This course is designed for you as a beginner, and you will see a big difference in your listening skills in 1 month by watching 2 videos, one in the morning and one in the evening. By the way, you can use the caption tool because this course is for everyone who wants to learn English correctly. Remember, our slogan is Start Correctly. Goodbye.